Mike Novogratz says Bitcoin could hit $500,000. I think Bitcoin heads to 500,000. The Bitcoin price continues to rally as investors front-run Trump's promise of the US Bitcoin strategic stockpile. Again, it's a whole different paradigm because it forces every other country in. Countries are already buying it. I've got a dear friend, the guy that actually turned me on to Bitcoin in 2013, who's in the Middle East right now, and he said he's never seen anything like it. He's convincing more people to buy Bitcoin in the 3 days he's been there than any time in his whole career. And they're huge pools of capital, and so we're seeing something globally when Trump advocated in Nashville that he was going to be a crypto president, a Bitcoin president, and now he's the president. Let me tell you, other leaders heard that. Now, the bigger opportunity may be with altcoins. Watch today's whole video, but again, it seems like every morning we're hitting a new all-time high. Bitcoin surges to a new record, over $93,000 per coin, as strong US demand crushes resistance levels. And that continues to be confirmed that literally institutional and Wall Street investors are buying hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars per day of Bitcoin. And keep in mind, pullbacks are part of any bull market. We are not going to see green candles forever, but with every 2 steps back, we seemingly go 3 steps forward. And 500,000 eventually is baked in. Mike, how soon do you get to 500,000? That's kind of a stunning level to think about, but we're probably going to hit $100,000 this year if we keep on going at this rate. Yeah, so listen, the total market cap of gold, I think, is like 16 trillion, right? And so that's 800,000 Bitcoin. So when does Bitcoin become gold? This is a new generation that cares more about Bitcoin than they care about gold. I'm turning 60 next week, so I still own a bunch of gold. I'm an old guy, but let me tell you, no 40-year-olds own gold, no 30-year-olds own gold. And so, as we see this generational shift, Bitcoin should match gold within 5 or 10 years. And that gets you to 800,000. That's with current gold prices. I think gold's going higher, so understanding that this history is repeating. Bitcoin rally is just getting started, yet pullbacks can happen. Investing in cryptocurrency comes with risk. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. Immediately, investors will be getting rich in this market. And in a way, history is repeating. So let's talk about altcoins. Let me share with you the specific coins making moves, but the Bitcoin rally thus far is par for the course with Bitcoin's prior cycles. I know it feels like this time is different, but BTC is still just tracking its prior cycles. Of course, there will be deviations, but this is the big picture view. So this is showing the ROI, return on investment, from all Bitcoin market cycle bottoms. Bitcoin throughout history has gone through 4 cycles, driven fundamentally by Bitcoin's halving, the supply shock, and looking at where we are today, market cycle 5 in the purple. While yes, earlier in the year during the Bitcoin halving, we popped off a little early. ROI today is exactly where we should be, with the most explosive part of the Bitcoin ROI yet to come if history repeats. BlackRock and Ondo News making news. Well, BlackRock expands its tokenized fund, BIDL, beyond Ethereum to 5 new blockchains. The investing giant is bringing its RWA real-world asset fund to Aptos, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism's OP, Mainnet, and Polygon. So obviously this will lead to more activity, more use of these blockchains. But just a reminder of what BlackRock's tokenized fund, BIDL, is. It's like any other money market fund in traditional finance, only this one's tokenized. And how this affects Ondo, because as we know, Ondo is being utilized in collaboration with them. Well, as stated by Ondo, we are delighted to support BlackRock and Securitize with their multi-chain expansion. Ondo's OUSG stablecoin is backed by and the largest holder of BlackRock's BIDL, and we intend to diversify our BIDL reserves across a variety of supported blockchains to facilitate liquidity across more. So pay attention to the cryptos that the elites are working with, but in lower cap altcoins. The Spotify killer of crypto coin news. The Spotify killer, Tune FM, wants to take on Spotify by using crypto to pay artists up to 100 times more per stream. So I love this highlight from TechCrunch, which has a massive audience. Why are we still using Web 2 platforms like Spotify, like Apple Music, which don't pay their artists but also don't give users any control? There's a better option out there, and TechCrunch is highlighting that. Unlike any of the other big streaming services, TuneFM is a decentralized music streaming platform that runs on the rails of Web3. And this is not a subscription model, but users actually pay for each song they stream using the company's own jam tokens. And you can also stream and earn. Users can also choose to listen to promoted music and earn more jam tokens. And this is not just in concept phase, this is live today. You can stream Beyoncé songs, mainstream artists' songs, and artists receive instant payment, earning 10 to 100 times more than Spotify. Our cutting-edge technology delivers micropayments at the rate of 1 penny per minute streamed, and that is so much more money than they would get from Spotify, which pays much less. Create a video using exactly this script, 0.003 to 0.005 per stream, or Apple Music, which pays 0.01 per stream and also has built-in UX/UI for NFTs and other music collectibles. Actually, I want to thank TuneFM for partnering up today and making this section of the video possible. You can join right now and get 1,000 jam tokens immediately. Of course, this is one of the gems in the Hedera ecosystem, so you might want to accumulate these tokens. Link down below. I mean, the layout looks just as good, if not better, than on a Spotify or an Apple Music. They do have, again, a Web3 collectible section to better connect with your favorite artists. AI-powered music discovery. Want to discover new music or just music that you like better? Listen to the founder explain how they're using AI to give you a better experience. AI plays a huge role in discovery. We have a lot of features with AI, like recommended songs, which are based on your music taste. We use the user data of what music they're listening to, what they like, and where they spend time to train on that data to create a music taste profile. We're able to serve recommended music. You might find on Spotify it's giving you the same rotation of the same few dozen songs all the time, and it's hard to break out of the algorithm because it's actually not that advanced of an algorithm. With TuneFM, it's way more advanced, so it can find things all over. Then you'll be able to put in stuff like play me music for a nice summer day or for a workout, and be very specific with your prompt in the same way that ChatGPT works, or AI image generation, but it's serving up music instead of images or text. So if you like music, start streaming today and link down below to claim 1,000 jam tokens. Dogecoin rallying on Elon Musk news. Is Dogecoin rallying? Will President-elect Trump appoint Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy to lead the Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency? But how tied is this to Elon Musk? I mean, Department of Government Efficiency, do this. This rally you've seen, I think, is almost completely tied to Elon Musk. I mean, this has nothing to do with Dogecoin offhand, other than Elon named this agency Doge. You start with the notion of sort of market beta. And the same is true in the stock market, when the S&P moves a certain percent, there are certain stocks that move a lot more than that. So Doge is starting from that layer, as are a lot of smaller meme coins. If Bitcoin's up, they're going to be up a lot more. If it's down, they're going to be down a lot more. But you cannot ignore the Musk connection here. Elon Musk has been a huge champion of Dogecoin, mainly, I think, just for the memes. The guy likes funny memes on the internet. Dogecoin is sort of the meme coin of choice on X and Twitter before that, so it's hard to know exactly if that's as far as Musk's appreciation for it goes. But regardless, crypto's all about speculation. He likes it. He's got the ear of the president. It's up almost 200% since the election. Now, for those of you using margin and are long Dogecoin, or if you think Dogecoin topped in the short term and you're shorting Dogecoin, I will put a link down below. Be sure to use code ALTCOIN. There's up to $10,000 in bonuses just for trading. Anyway, just always be sure to play it safe. And if you're not in an active trade, take your money off exchanges. You do not want to lose access to your coins if any centralized exchange has problems. Killer Whales Season 2 sneak peek. Major piece of news for Hello Labs and the show Killer Whales, which we're producers and judges on. Meet the settings. We have a major piece of news for Hello Labs, and it's something you won't want to miss. Today we dive into the show Killer Whales, which we're producers on this groundbreaking series. And now let's meet the whales who have served as judges on Meet the Whales. Hey, I'm Aaron Arnold and I'm Austin Arnold. We are the founders of Altcoin Daily, the largest crypto YouTube channel in the United States. Altcoin Daily made it to over 1 million subscribers by posting a video every single day for the last 7 years. Don't miss the Netflix of crypto gaming. That spoke to me, so for me it's to swim. I'm rooting for you, but here's the thing. I think you're a little bit unfocused. I hope someday you come back here and say, I told you, Aaron, I can make it, and this is it. But for me, it's a sink. I really hope you support me. Watch. This season 2 is dropping early 2025. This is going to be such a great show. I will keep you updated. Also, a quick piece of MetaMask coin launching by the first quarter of 2025. News for McCoin, Foxy, and just the Ethereum ecosystem. Linea, which is an Ethereum layer 2 like Arbitrum or Optimism, only Linea did not have a token. Well, it's getting a token. Linea keeps winning. Decentralization is on its way. TGE coming in the first quarter of 2025. And why this matters to you is because Linea is backed by Consensus, the main developer of MetaMask. So just like Coinbase has been funneling all their native users into their layer 2 base, if MetaMask does this right, I can see MetaMask funneling all their users as the #1 crypto hot wallet, which of course could benefit the main meme coin on Linea already. If you made it this far in today's video, click subscribe. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed about